In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Boolean in Fusion 360. Boolean operations, join, cut, and intersect, let you combine solid bodies in precise ways, and in Fusion 360, they all live inside a single feature called combine. If you've ever wanted to merge two parts, carve one shape out of another, or keep only their overlapping region, this is the tool you'll use. Let's start by opening the Combine tool. You can find it under the Modify menu, then choose Combine, or you can access it from the toolbar if it's already visible. The interface is simple and intentionally consistent, so you can focus on what the geometry is doing. Next, select your target body. Think of the target as the main body you want to keep or modify. This is the piece that will receive the change. Click the solid you want to work on in the canvas or the browser. If you're unsure which one to pick, ask yourself which object should still be here after the operation. That's your target. Now select the tool body. The tool acts like the helper shape that either joins with, cuts from, or defines the overlap with your target. Click the body you want to use as the cutter or the joiner. You can select more than one tool if your design calls for it, and Fusion 360 will apply the same operation to all selected tools. Keep an eye on body visibility in the browser. If you can't select something, it might be hidden. With your target and tool chosen, it's time to decide on the operation. Choose Join to unify the tool with the target and turn them into a single continuous body. This is great for fusing parts that touch or overlap. Choose Cut to subtract the tool from the target, like using a drill bit to remove material. This is perfect for holes, pockets, or custom cutouts. Choose Intersect to keep only the volume where the target and tool overlap, discarding everything else. Use this when you want the shared shape that results from their intersection. As you make selections, watch the canvas for visual feedback so you can quickly confirm the result looks right. If the outcome isn't what you expected, double check which body is the target and which is the tool. Swapping them can completely change the result. Because Combine is a feature in your timeline, you can always adjust inputs later, making it easy to iterate without starting over. That's all there is to Booleans in Fusion 360. Open Combine, select a target, pick a tool body, and choose Join, Cut, or Intersect for the result you need.